Well, it's back to school time, so I thought today we would make some pencil cookies.
Ooh. Wait,
Pencil cookies.
Fun.
Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah. Dad, how you draw drawing cookies?
No, we're gonna make them, and I'm gonna show you how. All right, this project doesn't require any baking, and all you're gonna need is
Mini chocolate chips, vanilla wafers.
remember what that's called?
Frosting.
That's right, vanilla frosting and assorted food coloring.
Yep.
That's all you're gonna need.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna just drop in a little bit of red. Sure, a couple drops in this one.
The
Okay,
pencil.
now we need to add some green to this
Wait, can
because after all, we're gonna model it after the world's best pencil, Dixon
What about
Ticonderoga.
the yellow?
Yellow, the wafer's yellow. Close enough. Go ahead, Maddie. A couple drops. Actually, this needs to be like not a light green, it needs to be a little bit darker, so like 4 or 5 drops. The first step involves cutting. So you're gonna wanna use a knife, a sharp knife, and you wanna have an adult do this part, okay? So what we're going to do is we're gonna cut it on an angle so we can make the tip of our pencil. And we're gonna do it on this side and try to even it up the best we can. Okay, and then someone gets to eat these yummy parts.
Oh, me.
All right, so now we have something that looks sort of like a pencil,
Yeah.
okay? Okay, so Landon's gonna do the tip of the pencil. He's gonna grab some white frosting. Yep, and you're gonna dab it onto just the triangle part. It's not easy to do, is it, bud?
No.
And then you okay? So that's the tip of the pencil. And then Landon, what does the tip of the pencil also get?
Chocolate chip.
For the lead, to represent the lead.
A mini chocolate chip.
Mini chocolate chip. Oh, that's perfect, actually. Perfect, okay?
Can I have those?
All right, Landon, now we're gonna dab into the green. Okay, we've cleaned this off. We're gonna dab into the green.
Okay.
And you just need a thin line of green, okay? So you're kind of gonna, really coach you a little bit here. You're kind of gonna just take this and you're gonna kind of just make a green line across. You're gonna like just really dab it on. Right about there. Perfect. Do that again. Get a little bit, no, don't turn it sideways. Yeah, get a little bit more on that part. If you need more frosting, go ahead and get more frosting. Get more frosting. Oh, that's almost perfect. You can wipe it on the side. Yep, and just dab it. Good, 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 perfect. Now, okay, now you're gonna get pink and you're gonna paint the eraser.
Okay.
Okay, so dip it in. Good. When you bring it over here, you're gonna flip it over. You're gonna flip it over and paint it on. There you go. Ooh, 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 but super careful. No, you're fine. You didn't ruin anything. Just be super careful, okay? Just let me show you. Just pull it a little bit, okay? Pull it. Pull it. Awesome. Doesn't that look good?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't that look like an awesome pencil?
Mm-hmm.
Good job, bud.
Thank you.
High five. Maddie, girl, come on over. Maddie, you're going to grab this little spatula.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna dip it into the white and you're gonna paint the tip. So just the triangle gets painted white. Now, I'll wipe it off for you. It needs a mini chip
Okay.
for the lead. Right at the end. Nice.
And I'm gonna eat them.
And you're gonna eat it. Okay, now, to do the green line, the green line's gotta go next. So you're literally gonna dunk it in, just gonna draw a line across by dabbing it. That's actually really good. Okay, so we'll wipe it clean. The next thing you're gonna do, honey, is you're going to dunk into the pink. You're gonna dunk in, turn it over, pull. It's hard to get close to that green, but you're doing a great job. Oh, really nice job. Really nice job. Awesome. I think that's a really good pencil.
Yeah.
Okay, nice job. Another great pencil. Odin, you're up. Okay, Otis. You ready to get started? Hey, get out of my pile.
This is my body.
Wait. You can have one after. We gotta make this pencil first. Ready? What you're gonna do, you're gonna get some
Yeah.
white frosting first, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna take the white frosting and you're gonna put it on just the triangle part, okay?
Oh, I see them. I see. I see.
Okay, so the next step then,
Yeah.
which you're gonna do,
Yeah.
is you're gonna put a mini chocolate chip right on the tip.
Mhm.
See? Good job. Pretty close. Pretty close. Just scoot it this way a little bit.
Dad, I think the blasting off to the moon.
There. Okay. Now, we take the green and we're gonna make a line right here. Okay? So you're gonna dunk it in.
Donkey and
Okay, dunk it. Go ahead, dunk it in.
donkey.
Dab a line across. Do you want help or you got it?
I got it.
The line needs to be right there.
Wait, this like the same. Oh, I see.
Ready?
Yeah.
Make it a little thicker.
Yeah,
Perfect line.
press it. Press it on.
Perfect line. Okay.
Press it.
Now,
Why?
the next step,
Yeah.
and final step, is to take some pink.
No, Dad, can I
Yeah,
do
you can
myself?
do it. You can do it yourself. But you're gonna take the pink and you're going to turn it over and pull. Don't get it in the green if you can help it, okay? Turn it over. Yeah, pull it towards you. Pull it towards yourself. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, buddy. You think that's pretty good?
Yeah.
I think that's pretty good too.
Dad, are we done? Are we done? Are we done? Are we done?
Come on, I'm gonna put them all up.
Thanks for putting them all up.
Look pretty good, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up the batch
Yeah.
and we'll fast forward it.
Yep.
We'll show you our batch at the end.
Yep.
Ready? Hands in. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go.
Oh, I need an assembly line here. I need some people to put these
Oh, I will.
chocolate
I
chips on.
will. I will. Here are the pencil cookies.
Good job, that's right. We made pencil cookies. We saw this on Instagram. We thought it'd be a lot of fun to try. So with that being said, we haven't tried them yet. You guys wanna try?
Yeah.
All right, each take one.
Each take one.
Oh, and this is the one you made. Come on. Guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yummy. All right, Landon. So, what should they do?
Hit the like button. Yeah, hit the like button.
And?
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, please.
All right, till next time.
Bye.